Hey everybody, do you want to know how to make a reusable cotton pad or face scrubby? Check this out.
For this project, you need a worsted weight yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and scissors. We're going to begin with a magic circle. I hold my yarn between my thumb and my middle finger. I wrap it around my ring finger and then up over my index finger. I tuck it in with my pinky to hold the tension. Then I reach through and I grab my yarn and pull up. Then I'm going to chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. Now I'm going to work 12 double crochets around the circle. Here are the 12 double crochets. I'm going to join it with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Now I'm going to begin with a half double crochet, and this next one is going to be a front post double crochet. So I'm sneaking it in underneath that post for a double crochet. And now a half double crochet, and then a double crochet in around the one in the row below. You're going to work this all the way around, and this is actually a increase round because your half double crochet is going into the top of the stitch and your front post double crochet is going around the post. So do that all the way around. You're going to end with a front post double crochet. Because this is an even number, you should end up with 24 stitches, 12 half doubles, and 12 front post double crochets. Join with a slip stitch. And now we are going to begin the next row. So you're going to chain 2. We are going to put a double crochet in that same stitch and another regular double crochet. And now you should be at the first front post double crochet, and you're going to continue that. So do a front post double crochet around that, matching them up all the way around. And in between each front post double crochet, you will have 2 regular double crochets. There's 1 and 2, and then here is the front post double crochet. This will give your cotton pad a very nice texture to help with a gentle exfoliation. Do that all the way around. And you can see where I'm putting that first double crochet of the pattern, it kind of tucks in behind. So here we are at the end. We're going to slip stitch again to close the round. And now we're going to do the edging. The edging is a crab stitch or reverse single crochet. You will not be working anti-clockwise, you will be working in a clockwise direction. You're going to chain 1, and then you are going to work a regular kind of single crochet stitch, just you're doing it backwards. So you insert it to your right, grab your loop and pull it up. Make sure you kind of twist it so it doesn't fall off your hook, and then pull through. Yarn over and then pull through. And you do that all the way around, and it ends up being a really nice textured edge. And if your stitch doesn't work the way you want it to, undo it and try again. The nice thing about crochet is it can be very forgiving if you make a mistake. all the way.
When you get to the end, you can see I've stopped with one stitch left. What I like to do is I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to pull it out, cut it, and to finish it off, what I'm going to do is kind of make it look like the stitch just exists. So we have this, and then I'm going to put it in here, kind of wiggle it across. And you're going to see that that pulls it nice and tight, and it looks like there isn't really a join there. To secure this, go back this way and come back. And make sure you leave a piece of string there. And then one more. And like I said, we're going to weave this in to make sure this doesn't fall out either. Go through a few. And then to be super safe, come back again. And there you have it.